Hi guys, it's Jamila here from Slapp. Today I'm going to be doing a video on the brand new Kjaer Weis concealer. This is brand new from the natural organic brand Kjaer Weis. If you guys haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. And without further ado guys, here is the video. So guys, this is the Kjaer Weis concealer. It is 0.14 fluid ounces and 4 mils. So it's quite small for a concealer, especially when we think of concealers nowadays. They tend to be like 10 mils, 12 mils, 14 mils. They're like big concealers. This is kind of minuscule in comparison. This is a refillable packaging, so I'm quite excited to see how. So it's available on the Kjaer Weis website in the USA and also at Credo Beauty and Neiman Marcus. In the UK, it's available at Content Beauty and Naturismo, which is where I got it this time. It just felt like being different. On their website, it says, high coverage formula that invisibly covers dark circles and skin imperfections, formulated with high quality skincare ingredients that nourish and soothe skin, helping diminish redness associated with irritation. Perfectly balanced, lightweight, creamy texture that stays put without being drying. There are 12 shades. On the Naturismo website, it gave me the shades and the undertones, which was much more helpful. So if you do want to find out the swatches and undertones as well, then it's also on the Naturismo website. So it is £33 and $30 US. For a concealer, it is quite expensive. The Armani concealer is £34.50. Charlotte Tilbury is £24. Pat McGrath one is £25. Tom Ford Emotion Proof Concealer is £42. This is the packaging here. The wand is quite small. I feel like it's going to be really easy to use and quite precise. I'll give you a swatch of the colour. Smells very natural, but it smells kind of like a facial oil. It smells really nice. I do really like the fact that they've got a nice luxurious top, but I just feel like it's a bit too heavy for the bottom. Every time I put it down, I feel like I'm gonna knock it over and it's gonna break. So yeah, apart from that, I do really like the packaging. I think it's really nice. So I'm gonna get into it, guys. How exciting. So I'm having a look at this concealer. I've got lots of thoughts already. I definitely feel like the formula feels nourishing. I like the fact that I can smell the natural oils in it. It feels very nourishing. It feels like I've just put on my evening skincare, which is good, but there is something about it that's slightly overpowering. I feel like they could have used a drop less. I had to keep dipping back in to get more product just so I could keep going around my face. So for that reason, I'm not a huge fan of the formula. I feel like it could be a bit more liquid. It blends out better on the face than it does under the eye. I feel like it's a really good concealer for like spot concealing because it's made my skin look really nice. I'm just gonna put on my foundation. That is pretty much it. I've done my face. I'm looking very matte, but I quite like it. So the concealer, I feel like my foundation went on top of it really, really easily, and it kind of just gave it a really good base for my foundation. So I do really like that. There's a tiny bit of darkness under my eye and a tiny, tiny little bit of creasing. The wand is nice, but it doesn't really pick up enough product. And also the formula isn't that wet. It's quite a dry formula. Kind of reminds me a lot of the Hourglass concealer, which is also quite a dry formula. I feel like this is even drier than that, and it's a bit hard to blend, especially under the eye. I'm just gonna give you a final close-up with my full face done, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. Not bad at all. It's probably more of a medium coverage. It is quite matte, which is quite unique, I think, especially for organic natural products. It's quite unique for them not to be like super dewy. So I do think that's pretty impressive and different about it. I like what it's done to my face. I like my base. I feel like I would definitely use this more as a spot concealer, probably not so much as an under eye concealer. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed already, guys, please subscribe. We would love to have you in the Slapp family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.